Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Pink's World. So today ay magpunta kami sa isang lugar kung saan kukunin namin yung malaking timbers doon sa ATWOOD Sawmill.
You know, you and me will carry.
No, you'll get it with a machine. You gotta move some shit first, though. I gotta go to the office.
I'll stay here.
All right, I'll be back.
A lot of old timbers here.
Take my wallet in case the thing ain't paid for.
Very muddy.
Yeah, it's muddy here always. Well, this time of year and all the way through winter and spring, it's muddy. It's a mess.
Oh.
So, ito guys, ang ATWOOD Sawmill. So, dito, ma-order yung mga klaseng sizes ng timbers or mga different sizes ng mga kahoy na para sa mga building homes. So, yan ang kanilang part ng paggawa ng klase-klase sa mga orders. So, katulad sa amin, pipick upin namin yung gi-order kasi ready na siya to go. So, ready to pick up na din. So, since na nag-deliver kami somewhere and then ma-drop by namin yung place na to, so isang puntahan, nag-deliver, and then on the way back home, in the way back to the shop, ay pipick upin namin yung timbers na ready to pick up na. So, ayan, makikita niyo mamaya kung gaano kalaki yung ano siya, kasi pang post siya, ang laki. So, someone will use the sky truck. Ayan guys, siya yung mag pick up. Ayan, pinick up na niya yung ready to go na order. So, malaki yan. Sobrang bigat. So, lagay niya doon sa trailer na nakahook up sa pickup truck namin. So, ayan na guys, ilalagay na sa trailer at lagyan siya ng small piece na kahoy sa base para hindi siya mag-touch doon sa trailer. So, ayaw kong bumaba kasi napaka-putik. And I can't help anything. Mag-video lang ako. So, unexpected na maputik ang area, so ayaw kong bumaba. Hindi ako nakasuot ng boots. Ang sinuot ko ay yung running shoes, so ayaw kong maputikan. Kaya ayan, kinukuhanan ko na siya from rear windshield. So, yan ang aming activity and outdoor for today. And sana guys ay nakapagbigay kami ng kaunting entertainment sa inyo. At sino pa yung hindi nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga next videos na i-upload ng Bing's World. So, salamat ng marami sa inyong solid support sa aming mga videos na ina-upload. Ayan, paalis na kami. Tapos na ang aming ganap dito sa ATWOOD Sawmill. So, drive back lang para makaalis na kami to go back to the shop. So, yan ang kanilang milling area ng kahoy. At the back is yung office nila.
Make a lot of.
Look at this different chips of.
Oh yeah, that's from a saw, and the other one's from a band saw. And that one's from a shredder barker. See how they see all the bark shredded off that? They run it through there, take all the bark off it. See these ones with the holes in them, and they got bolts going through them.
Oh.
They're one of the only companies in the country that make, when they're doing road construction and they're building a bridge or something over an old swamp,
Okay.
they lay these down and so they can drive their machinery without getting it stuck. But they are one of the very few sawmills in the country that do that. So they ship the stuff all over the place, all over the country.
Just inside America.
Yeah, I think they ship it overseas.
So why you need to order in the mountain rock? What's that?
Way over, you can see way the hills way over there. Beautiful colors here, beautiful colors there.
So, ayan guys, thank you so much sa inyong pag-stay tuned and stay with us during sa aming ganap for today. So, subscribe na po ang hindi pa nakapag-subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo for the next videos. Bye!